Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ETF Screeners for Dividend ETF Watch Alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to a search engine of your choice. Type ETF Screeners for Dividend ETFs in the search bar. Press Enter to view the search results. Select a reputable ETF screener website from the results. Once on the site, look for the section dedicated to screening ETFs. Locate the filters or search options for dividend-focused ETFs. Set your criteria for dividend yields, expense ratios, and asset size. Apply the filters to narrow down your options to the most suitable ETFs. Review the list of dividend ETFs generated by the screener. Take note of any ETFs that pique your interest. Click on the selected ETF to view its detailed profile. Examine the ETF's performance history, dividends, and overall ratings. Check if the website offers an alert or subscription feature for updates. Provide your email address and any other required information. Choose the frequency of the alerts you wish to receive. Confirm your subscription by following the prompts provided. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link. Once verified, your subscription for Dividend ETF Watch Alerts is active. Start tracking your selected ETFs as you receive alerts in your inbox. Stay informed about changes in their dividend status or performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.